I'm at Enterprise Connect with Pedro Andrade from Talkdesk. So you just made a big announcement and did a great demo. So tell us about what's new at Talkdesk.
All right. So thank you very much, Claire. It's a great pleasure being here with you today. So today we are announcing Talkdesk CXA Operations Center. And CXA Operations Center is the capability that helps you to manage hybrid workforce. Hybrid workforce are here, meaning that today you have you need a way to manage your AI labor and your human labor. That happens because over time, the metrics that we've been always using, they are not valid anymore. As you consider that AI is now part of the team, all your existing metrics that you typically use on the contact center, they are not valid anymore. Average handle time may skyrocket at the moment that you start deploying AI, because AI starts getting more and more routine type of tasks and basically affecting those type of metrics. And this is going to be very difficult if you don't look at overall pool of resources, your AI resources and your human resources as a global view. It's going to be very hard to explain how you are deploying AI. At the same time, you are getting an increase of your average handle time, for example. The only way to see it and the correct way to see it is looking at the metrics that make sense when you look at hybrid workforce in general. So today we are talking about this and managing that. CXA Operations Center, it brings you the capability to discover which opportunities you have to automate and bring that automation transform that automation in agent opportunities into AI agents. And also, how do you understand the impact of those AI agents in your workforce? What is the reduction that you are going to expect and the forecasts of human labor that you still need? And how do you guarantee the quality of those AI agents? Quality management is also changing, and that means that a new quality management is forming. Quality management that evaluates humans, but also evaluates AI agents, understanding if they are performing as expected.
So can you go through some of the steps? So you talked about finding out what to automate, and then at the end you're testing and making sure there's governance. So can you go through some of the steps a little?
So one of the key important parts of this process is start mining your past interactions. By using techniques of process mining, you understand what are the key issues that are affecting your contact center, how they are impacting your key metrics. For example, what metric is keeping you up at night, and what type of conversations or interactions are taking that metric down to a place where you don't want. When you do this, when you identify the issues that are causing problems and impacting your key metrics, you look at the system, you ask the system to evaluate how you could optimize that. And that optimization can come into several forms. You can decide to optimize that metric by bringing automation in self-service, by deploying autopilots, or you may decide that you don't want to change the process and you just want to deploy those AI agents as supportive AI agents to perform automations in assistance with humans. When that happens, this is going to impact in different ways your key KPIs, but you are having digital labor, AI labor to support, and they are going to have an impact on your human workforce. So when you do that, and when you deploy those AI agents, after you discover them and you forecast them, next step is testing them. Guarantee that before you get into production, you run what we call inside CXA Operations Center the evals. Evaluation helps you to expose those AI agents into multiple scenarios. And those multiple scenarios are going to range from interactions with multiple steps, with multiple topics on the same interaction, understanding how agents, AI agents in this case, are able to deal with it. This is going to give you a result and a report, and it's going to help you understand if you are ready to deploy that AI agent alongside your team of human agents, or if it needs additional refinements.
And who is all of this aimed at?
Say again?
Who is this aimed at? The operations manager? Or?
Yeah, so this is a human in the loop tool, and this is used by AI operations managers. So this is a new role that is forming in the operation of a contact center. This is not just about having workforce management operators or supervisors. This is all about really an operation management manager that operates and observes and monitors quality and efficiency of your hybrid workforce.
And when will this be available?
So this solution is available today. That's what we are announcing, and very happy to have that available for our customers.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you very much.